Today we are going to see conversion of decimal number to hexadecimal number system. Now first we will see an example. Suppose we are given 2005, this is our decimal number and we have to convert this into hexadecimal number. So to convert the given decimal number into hexadecimal number, first we will divide the given number by 16, which is the base for hexadecimal number. So we will get 16 ones 16. So here we will get remainder 4. Then 16 twos are 32. We will get remainder 8, and 16 fives are 80. So we will get final remainder over here as 5. Then we will divide 125 by 16. So we will get 16 sevens are 112, and remainder will be 13. So now we are going to note these remainders from bottom to top. So we will get 7, 13, 5. We are going to convert this decimal numbers into hexadecimal numbers. So we will get 7, 13 is represented by D in hexadecimal number and 5 is represented by 5 itself. So the hexadecimal equivalent for the given decimal number, that is 2005, is given by 7D5. This is our hexadecimal representation for 2005. Now we will see one more example. Suppose we have 713.122. Now this is our decimal number and we have to convert this into hexadecimal number. Now we can see here that we have integer part as well as fractional part. So first we will concentrate on integer part. So we will divide 713 by 16. We will get 16 fours are 64. So remainder will be 7, and again 16 fours are 64, and we will get remainder as 9. Again we will divide this 44 by 16. We will get 16 twos are 32, and remainder will be 12. Now again we will note down these remainders from bottom to top direction. So we will get 2, 12 and 9. So we will convert these numbers into hex. We will get 2, here we will get C and 9. So we have converted 713, that is decimal number, into hexadecimal. We got 2C9 for integer part. Now we will concentrate on fractional part. So we have fractional part as 0.122. This is our fractional decimal part of given number. Now we have to convert this into hexadecimal number. So we are going to multiply this 0.122 multiplied by 16, which will give us 1.952. Here we are going to note down the integer part on our right hand side. Again we will take the fractional part, that is 0.952 multiplied by 16. We will get 15.232. So again we will note down this integer part on our right hand side, that is 15. Then we will take a fractional part, that is 0.232 multiplied by 16. We will get 3.712. So again we will note down this 3 on our right hand side. We can continue this process for up to 3 to 4 digits. So we will get 115 and 3. Now we are going to convert these numbers into hex. So we will get 1, 15 is represented by F over here, and 3 as it is. So we will write down these numbers from top to bottom direction. So 0.122 in decimal is represented by 0.1F3 in hexadecimal. So if we combine both the answers for integer part as well as fractional part, we will get here as 2C9.1F3. So this will be our final conversion of decimal number into hexadecimal number. Thank you.